It's lunchtime, I'm hungry, so we're gonna do no cooking, but we're gonna do some food preparation. I want a sandwich, so I'm gonna make a sandwich. We're gonna go GoPro, chest mount, gimp suit, and I'm gonna make a sandwich, so I'm hungry, let's go. Start off, Tiger Bloomer. Right, this is what really annoys me about the UK is good sandwiches are hard to find. No one can make a good sandwich. So you gotta do your own. What we're gonna do, got the bread, and I'm gonna go for a bit of a hummus. Just gives it a bit more flavor. So we're gonna do that, but also I'm gonna do a little bit of mayo as well. Nothing worse than a dry sandwich. So remember, top tip, spread all the way to the edges. You want every bite of this sandwich to be equal. Next, you want to go on with your meats. So we'll start with the parma ham, salami, 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 different type, bish, bash, bosh. All right, meat done. And then I got this from Lidl just because it's cheap, easy, available. So number one thing, if you're gonna do dry cheese, not melted cheese, is don't overdo it because cheese can be really like overpowering. So you just want one slice. Next, key ingredient, tomato. Make sure you get a nice, decent tomato. I've washed it already because tomatoes are minging. Get some nice slices in there. Look at that. This is also non-negotiable. Salt your tomatoes. Bit of pepper, and then we've got a smidge left. You could call that done. That would be an insane sandwich already. So what we're gonna do is make it even more insane. We've got red onion. Because you don't want to overstack your sandwich because then it'll topple over and it'll be really hard to get your mouth around. But you do want a bit of crunch. So get some onion rings. And just chuck them in, like that. Right, and then you just want to build flavour, so you want to get a bit of herbs in there. We're going to do a smidge of basil, because we're going for the Italian theme. Scatter that on. Make sure your distro's good. This is a lesson that Subway needs to take. All of their employees need to take this lesson. Distribute ingredients evenly. Sliced gherkins, pickles. Because we've got like real fatty from the meats, we got fat from the cheese, we got some lightness from like the tomatoes, but then you want like a salty, pickly crunch as well. So we're gonna go for some pickles. Obviously, if you don't like pickles, leave this step out, but also grow up because pickles are amazing. Final touch, just a bit of salad. And put that, and that is your sandwich done. Put the lid on. Give it a nice sharp slice. And then, oh, look at that. That is a sandwich. Got some crisps from the garage. Yeah, decent. Look at that. That is a sandwich. Oh my God. That is excellent. Good work. Good work, me. That's the other good thing about sandwiches. You buy all the ingredients, you can make like 20. And if you get bored of sandwiches on the third day, make them into toasties, if you still got cheese left. Jesus Christ, that is unreal.